What is up? Um, I was not at the charts today to trade. I was out. This is just a quick little market recap, you could say. So, today, no news Monday. Not expecting much volume before market open. I did check my phone before market open to mark out some quick stuff. We had this 4 hour imbalance and this small 4 hour imbalance. But I did mark it out as this 1 hour imbalance for a little bit. I did have that marked out and those 1 hour lows down there. I also marked out the top of this 4 hour imbalance, which we have now closed above, but there. And then I had marked out those 15-minute highs there on ES, and I was wary of this 15-minute imbalance too. Those did act as hourly highs, you could say, along with this hourly imbalance here that we came up into. But this was the main high time frame target, and then also these down here, just sort of low resistance draws, 1 hour imbalance, 4 hour imbalance. Thank you. Similar situation. Top of this 4 hour imbalance right here, this blue line. 4 hour fair value gap there. Didn't really have a 1 hour fair value gap. We had 1 hour lows here. 1 hour highs up there. So pretty much what I was expecting was either we come down, we take out this imbalance, these lows, we get a 5 minute retrace and then moves higher, or we come up, fill this imbalance completely, 5 minute retrace and moves lower. Same on ES, take out those highs sort of situation. We had hourly highs there on NQ as well. So market opened and took out those highs. ES came up and filled that imbalance completely. So then, because it's a high time from imbalance, we'll be looking for a 5 minute retrace after that. We don't really get that, so I don't know if I would have taken a trade today, to be honest. Thank you. Looked a little bit better. I mean, it sort of just ran all the way up and then ran all the way back down again. There was no 5 minute or 15 minute sweep to get even up there in the first place. It did sort of just happen. But a possible entry could have been, right, we've had this imbalance filled, we're going to see some moves down off of that. Same on NQ, took out hourly highs, and we've just tapped the top of that imbalance. We're going to see some moves down off of that. We had a big imbalance here, get disrespected. Same here. And same here. Whether I would have entered, who knows. Whether I wanted to, I probably would have wanted to wait for a 5 minute up candle, but we didn't get any till down here anyway. At which point we're at those hourly lows and that fair value gap. So honestly, I don't know if a trade would have been taken today. But after that 5 minute candle close at 10:25 and these 1 minute imbalances have been invalidated, any trade after 10:25, not really any. Whether it was just off that small retrace back up, then go back down, stop up there, maybe, or there, and just target those hourly lows with hourly fair value gap. There really wasn't many entries today. It just ran up and then ran straight back down. ES was similar. There was no 5 minute retrace of such. As you can see, there was a substantial fair value that got tapped into multiple times and then had a reaction out. but that isn't really a. It's at 11 o'clock New York time, so we weren't on the charts anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But if I would have taken a trade, it is unsure, as nothing really did present itself properly. Ideally, it would have been this move down and then a retrace into this imbalance or this order block, and then moves lower. Get that 5-minute up candle and then moves down, which shouldn't happen, and that's fine. But we weren't on the charts anyway, so no qualms there. But that is a market recap from the day. What I saw going into the session on my phone quickly played out, as you can see. But very much just sideways action, really. So yeah, tomorrow, no news Tuesday. So who knows how that is going to play out. Peace.